that, let's shift our attention now, viewers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently returned from the successful trip of several diplomatically significant countries, collecting top civilian honors in most of the nations that he visited and taking the tally of his global awards to 27, with the last edition coming from Namibia. While the Prime Minister is making India count on the world stage, the opposition is also counting, but their focus is on the population of the countries that are honoring the Prime Minister. Whether it is Cyprus, Trinidad and Tobago, Ghana or even Namibia, leaders in the opposition ranks are busy using the size of the nations to downsize the significance of the honours conferred. The latest leader to indulge in mockery is the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. After making fun of countries that honoured the Prime Minister for their population, he also took potshots at their names. The Ministry of External Affairs has now responded sharply to the commentary. Listen in first to what Bhagwant Mann said that has been called irresponsible.
बस मुझे यही डर है कि कहीं प्रधानमंत्री जी गए हुए मेरे घाना गए, कहाँ गए, आगे पता नहीं कौन कौन से कंट्री, मग्नेशिया, गलवेशिया, तरवेशिया, पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं, जहां 140 करोड़ बंदा रह रहा है वहां रह नहीं रहे वो। और जिस कंट्री में जा रहे हैं उनकी आबादी कितनी, 10,000, और सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड वहां का मिल गया। 10,000 तो भाई साहब जेसीबी देखने के लिए खड़ा हो जाता है यहां। कदे घाना चला गया, कदे लिथोपिया, 15-16 मुल्क तो असीं ना नहीं जानते, मग्नेशिया पता नहीं कित्थे है वो, उत्थे जाके कहंदे सब तो बड़ा सलमान इन्हें ले लिया। वो मुल्क की आबादी 15,000 होंदी, 15,000 तो इत्थे साडे जेसीबी देखण खड़ा हो जांदा है, वाह जेसीबी चली जांदी है ओदा। उत्थों पता नहीं कित्थों सलमान ले आउंदा मोदी। यार भरा मेरे, जिथे 140 करोड़ रहिंदा उन्हां च तां रह ला, उत्थे रहिंदा नहीं। अजे तां बित्ती करोना जा आ गया, नहीं तां हुण धरती ते 4-5 गेड़े होर दे दिंदा है।
Now, the Ministry of External Affairs has disapproved of these statements and, without naming Mann, said that the government of India disassociates itself from the unwarranted comments that have been made by a high state authority that undermine India's ties with friendly countries. Here is what the BJP has said.
स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन होना और चीफ मिनिस्टर होना, इसमें बड़ा अंतर है। कुछ लोग जो अपना प्रदेश ठीक से नहीं चला पाते, जहां पर उन्हें दिल्ली से लोग इंपोर्ट करने पड़ते हैं अपना प्रदेश चलाने के लिए, जो नशा मुक्त कहने की बात करते थे वो नशा युक्त कर देते हैं पंजाब को। आज वो फॉरेन अफेयर्स पर टिप्पणी कर रहे हैं। भगवंत मान जी, वैसे तो बहुत सारे देश होंगे जिनके नाम आपको नहीं पता होगा, पर सऊदी का नाम तो पता ही होगा, इजिप्ट का नाम तो पता ही होगा, आपको पता ही होगा रशिया का नाम, फ्रांस का नाम। इन देशों ने भी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को अपने हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर के साथ नवाजा है।
My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, good morning. It's opposition yet again deriding the Prime Minister. But these are honours that have been given to the Prime Minister, which the Prime Minister has dedicated to the entire country. And yet it looks like the opposition seems to be counting not just the honours, but also the population of these countries.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whenever he has received the highest civilian award from any country, he has dedicated these awards to the people of the country. Now, on the other hand, the opposition time and again have been questioning Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to foreign countries. We had seen that reaction coming in from the Congress party time and again, stating that why isn't Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting Manipur? Now, a reaction coming in from the Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, ridiculing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the 5 nations. Now, the MEA also has come up with a strong response and they have not named Bhagwant Mann directly, but they have clearly stated that they are dissociating themselves with any kind of remarks that has been made that undermines the relation of India to its friendly countries. And the MEA has called these states highly irresponsible and regrettable. Now, in the video that we had seen, that where Bhagwat Mann was mocking and ridiculing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, where he came up with made-up names of countries. So this clearly shows the mindset of the opposition in the country, and time and again this has been the intent of the opposition to ridicule Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to foreign countries. But what the opposition failing to see is the trade deals and other important deals with India is continuously signing with all these important countries, and no country can be measured with the size of the population. Every country is strategically important to India, and that is the very reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been visiting these countries. But on the other hand, the opposition continues to ridicule Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, questioning that back home, when there is around 140 crore people here in India, why isn't Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying more importance to the country,
okay,
rather than visiting in foreign countries?
Okay, all right, Sabyasachi, stay with us. We shift our attention now to